Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a memory spread for the week of January 14th through the 20th, and I have this winter themed kit from Scribble Co. and I just really like the colors in this. I think it's really fun. This was the October mystery kit. So here are the full boxes. The deco's really cute. Weekend banners all sparkly. I love that movie marquee. And I just love these colors. They're just kind of fun. Especially the seafoam color. These are kind of unexpected for like the winter too. And then here is the glitter sampler with some more boxes and some stuff. And then I also have this little sampler that came with one of my orders, and then the little munchkins. Okay, here is the spread in my everyday planner. And if you can see all of it, this is a kit by GPS Sticker Studio. The plan with me for this one is definitely up by now, so you can go check that out if you like this spread. This was one of my favorite spreads. I can already tell it's going to be a 2019 favorite, and it's just, I love the colors and everything in it. It's so pretty. All right, so I think we're ready to get started. I've got some notes, I've got some pictures, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the bottom washi, which I decided not to cut down or anything. And I am going to white out the lines because I noticed as soon as I placed it down that I could see them through the stickers. So I went ahead and did that. I don't always do that, but if I can notice like right away, then I usually do. I love that abstract pattern on that. And then I'm just using this blue jelly roll pen to put in the dates. Sometimes I grab date dots, sometimes I don't. For memory spread, since it's so quick, I'm doing it like one and done. Usually I will not like go through the process of like getting out the date dots and like, I don't want to say wasting them, but like if it's not necessary, then I don't. And then I'm using the gray glitter headers for this spread. I thought about alternating them because I really like all of the colors in this kit, but this gray just looked really pretty to me for some reason, even though it's like the most neutral of all four colors. And then I gave the, I'm kind of giving the date covers a little bit of time to dry. In hindsight, I probably should have picked a different color than gray because you can barely see the weekend banner, or put it like on the bottom washi or something, but oh well. So because these are also white, I went ahead and whited out the big numbers. I probably should have whited out the words too, but I think I probably am one of the only ones who would notice that. It's fine. It's totally fine. Okay, so I decided to go with this full box here. And again, I'm just whiting out because you could see the lines behind it. And then I'm pulling in this little overlay that says Hello Winter. This is from Scribble Co. as well. And I just thought that looked pretty. I didn't bring in silver foil to this spread, but I just thought that that looked nice. And I really love the detail on the snowflakes, and I wanted to kind of show that. So I just put down one of the glitter labels and the This Week header for my sidebar and my journaling section. And then I'm just pulling in some washi that matches the bottom washi, which you can't see right now, but I will push it up in a second. And you will be able to see that I made a full box with that washi. And then I'm just putting some deco onto that washi. And then this half box is for my favorite moment of the week, and I just pulled in some more deco. So there we go. More deco. Okay, so on Monday I started with a quarter box. I love that color, it's so pretty. And then I pulled in the little clip. And I just wanted to mark that I had my pre-conference for my observation from my principal. And I just noted that it was short, but good. It was very short, in fact. It was like 2 minutes. He was like, "What are you doing? When should I come?" And we're done. And then at the bottom, I just put in my video that went up that day, which was a plan with me, Monday plan with me. It was on another Scribble Co. kit. I'm kind of on a SPC kick right now. So above that, I put in the little book full box. I really like that little flat lay. It's real pretty. I kind of want some glasses like that, but I don't know if I'm like too old to pull that off. Maybe I should just go for it. I hate my current glasses, so I don't ever wear them like outside of my house. Okay, above that, anyway, I put down an icon with a little thing and marked that I had a great workout this day. I said I'm feeling stronger and that I have more stamina. It makes me happy to see results. So at this point, I was only working out like hard and like what I should have been doing for the past year for about 2 weeks or so. I think I started like my really good workouts on the 2nd. So yeah, about 2 weeks, and I was already like seeing some changes, which is good. Okay, at the top of Tuesday, I put in a glitter flag and the books from the deco to mark that we had our intro to the book study. So our school is, we have 3 groups, 3 books, and I'm leading one along with another instructional coach, and then we have our principal leading one and the other principal leading one, and other people filled in with that. But it was really good. I put that I know that most people aren't psyched about it, but it'll be good for us. We're already having really good conversations about it, and I'm enjoying it. I'm actually rereading this book, but it's a new edition. It has new chapters, so it's okay. All right, below that, I put that I went to the school board meeting, and I put I mixed up the months. I didn't know that I wasn't supposed to go. I mean, I could have gone, for sure, but I didn't know I had to be there, or I didn't have to be there. Anyway, I wasn't on the agenda, I will say, so I kind of snuck out early because I couldn't sit there for a million hours listening to them talk about data. Okay, at the bottom, I put that I ordered my new books for this term, and I put I don't know why, but I'm nervous about these next 7 weeks. It's going to be crazy, and I'm like doing this voiceover like in the 1st of February, and yeah, it's crazy. I'm in week 3 of 7, and it's insane. But you know what? I'm almost halfway through. I'm gonna make it. Barely, but I'm gonna make it. Okay, then on Wednesday, I put in training with Shauna. This lady came out from our service center, and she did this amazing training with us. Like the whole day, I was just like soaking up information and learning so much information. Like my brain hurt afterwards, but also I felt like super energized. So it was awesome, and I can't wait to see what we do with all of the things that we learned. And then on Thursday, I put my annual eval, so my principal came and watched me teach my class, and I put below it, crushed it, which is true. But then below that, I put TBH. It didn't feel really fair because it was the best case scenario, but I'll take it. So he came to my honors class, which is my best class, and my like smartest and most intuitive and most like, they're just amazing. Even though they drive me nuts, they're amazing kids, and we have a great time, but we also learn a lot. And so I'm glad that he came to that class, but at the same time, like, pretty much anybody could come in there and teach that class and do awesome with them. But you know, I'll take the great evaluation. It's always nice to hear that you do well. Okay, above that, I just cut down a full box, and then I did mark at the bottom with a picture of my PR sampler. I am now a part of the Crafty Banana PR team, which I don't think on that day I had announced it yet. I think I announced it like over the weekend, but I was so excited to join her team. I love her shop. I have her link down below with my code and everything. But if you haven't checked out Crafty Banana, definitely go check out her shop. It's all original artwork, and it's just unique, and everything she offers is just like cool. I don't know how to explain it. Just go check it out. She's got really cool shit. I love it. Okay, on Friday, I marked that fasting was easier today. So I did get back to my intermittent fasting after the holidays, and it's getting better. It's still a little bit hard, but it is better. I will say that. And then below that, I put the girl with the gray hair, and then below that put lots of career day prep. So this was when we were preparing for our big career day, which involved a lot of people from the community coming out. We even have people from other states come and do presentations and have booths and stuff. It was a big freaking deal, and it was a lot of work to put together, but it was really, really good when it all came together. Okay, and then at the bottom there, I put that I started watching American Crime Story. I don't remember what the rest of the title is, but it's the Versace story, like season 2, the murder of Gianni Versace, which I kind of knew like the basics of the story, but I did not know all of the background of his murder. And the story is fascinating. I still haven't finished it though because it is heavy. It's like a really, really sad and tragic story, and so I'm having to take my time with it, but it is great. I think I will finish it. Okay, on Saturday, I put this meme that says, "Is it supposed to be hot or cold today?" And Texas says, yes. So I put that we had snow overnight with a little scribbler girl. What? I don't know what our weather is doing, but it's crazy. And yeah, that week I was like outside, and then all of a sudden it snowed on the weekend. Whatever. So I did put down a little scale and mark that I had lost 5 pounds, which is exciting, but it's just hard. You know, as you get older and stuff, everything is harder and everything is slower. So I take any victory that I can get, which I'm not tracking my weight like super closely, but I do weigh from time to time. Okay, below that, I put down the little film slate on a label and put so much filming, and I wanted to get a head start on all of my videos before my classes start. And here I am 3 weeks into my classes, and I'm hanging by a thread. It's really hard, but I also do not want to not do things that I enjoy while working through grad school. So if I can still get all of my grad school stuff done and done well, then I'm gonna make the time and put that time into my hobbies. So, you know, it's a balance. Even though it's hard right now, eventually that's gonna go away and it'll be easier. Okay, then on Sunday, I just marked that I had a day off on Monday, so I had a super chill night. I think I stayed up super late, and I just like probably watched some more of that American Crime Story, which if you haven't watched the first season of that too and you're into true crime, it's about OJ and it's like really good. Okay, and then above that I just put in a little piece of, it's not even washi, it's like the piece of a little thing. And then I wanted to put in that I bought a couple of things for my new TN, which now I have 2, just one setup, but I have another one coming from Hong Kong. It's like a mustard yellow color and it's gorgeous and I can't wait to have it. But for now, I have my Lagoon colored EC folio, which is perfect too. I love it as well. Okay, I'm just trying to fit in some of the decos because it's so cute and I wanted to be sure to fill up the spread. And I didn't really want to scatter it across the top like I normally do. I just want to kind of do something different. So I'm just putting in some of that deco. And then in the journaling section, I put that it was kind of a blah week, but not in a bad way. I just felt like the calm, or it just felt like the calm before the storm, and I couldn't enjoy it. That is the best way to explain it. Like, I was anticipating my classes starting and all of that, and anticipating being really stressed out. So I couldn't really enjoy my 3-day weekend. And then my favorite moment was that training on Wednesday. It was just so eye-opening and awesome. All right, here's the finished spread. I really like this a lot. The artwork is so fun and I love it more than I thought I would. And this was a really, really good week, even though it did feel a little kind of boring, but that's okay. Every week doesn't have to be fantastic. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. The colors in this are so pretty. Kind of wish I had put in some foil, but I think it's okay how it is. I like it. Yeah, I do. I kind of want to add like some deco right there. Maybe I'll use the rest of the snowflakes. Let's see how that looks. Well, it looks weird with both of them. Let's see if I can pull this up. Ooh, okay. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, now we're finished. I hope that you enjoyed this spread, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!